Let's now take you to a story about a petition that is questioning the legal qualifications of top city lawyer Ahmednasser Abdullahi. The Directorate of Criminal Investigations has moved to court seeking documents to determine if the lawyer completed his pupilage. The case has been triggered by a petition that claims the lawyer faked his completion certificate. Duncan Khaemba now reports.
The Milimani High Court will Friday morning witness the beginning of the hearing of the case that will be closely monitored in legal circles. The question at hand is whether Senior Counsel Ahmednasser Abdullahi completed his pupilage, a critical requirement for one to be fully recognized as an advocate in Kenya. The Directorate of Criminal Investigations wants the court to order Chief Registrar of the Judiciary Ahmadi to release an original certificate of completion of pupilage of Ahmednasser. The DCI then wants the document subjected to a forensic examination to ascertain whether it was forged or not. This is the certificate at the center of the storm, and which controversial businessman Brian Yongo and his attorney Nelson Harvey claim that was forged by Senior Counsel Ahmednasser Abdullahi. According to the documents presented in the petition, the Senior Counsel reportedly did his pupilage at the law firm of the late Peter Simani. But the petitioner vowed that the firm was not operational during the period in question, that is 1990 to 1992, and to back their claims, they have attached this document from the Law Society of Kenya and a purported sworn affidavit by late Simani confirming the same.
According to Yongo, Ahmednasser was not in Simani's office because he was in the United States of America studying for his master's. With that background information, Yongo was able to provide us more evidence, including an affidavit that was made by Simani himself on the 27th of January, 1993. Indicating for a fact that he didn't practice law, neither had he obtained a practice certificate for the period 1990 to 1992.
On 1st March, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, through David Cheriot, made request to the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary to surrender the document, a request that was turned down by CRJ Ahmadi, who cited the documents as privileged, and as such, the information requested could not be released unless there was consent by the estate of the late Peter Simani, Ahmednasser Abdullahi, or by an order of the court.
Circumstantial evidence confirmed for a fact that as a matter of law, Simani could not have been the pupil master of Mr. Ahmednasser Abdullahi. And that is one. Number two, on the face of it, the signature appears to be forged.
Senior Counsel Abdullahi told KTN News via text message that this was an old case that had already been dismissed by the courts.
If subjected to forensic examination and that fact is confirmed, then two consequences will follow. It will mean for a fact that Ahmednasser will have to be removed from the role of advocates and stripped of the role of honor as senior counsel. That is one. Number two, it has criminal consequences, because in the event that the police confirm that this certificate was forged, then he will have to be held liable on a criminal prosecution.
The hearing will be before Chief Magistrate Kennedy Cheriot. Duncan Khaemba,